Hello everyone, my name is Chi. I'm 10 years old. Today I will talk about my homework. Hello students, my name is Brian Stewart. Today I will talk about part 3. Everything changed. Lesson 7. Things change with time. Past and future. In this lesson, you will discover everything changes over time. So, past and future. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first one, history, the story of events that happens in earlier time. Like here is an example, the light bulb. In the past, they have used a candle and the light bulb, and now here's like this light bulb. Prehistory is mean that is before that. Past mean the time before now. What we call it in the past before now, like the past in 19, 1990, that is called the past. Present, present is the time now. Like now is 2024, so this is the time that now is all happening in the present. Okay, future is the time to come after now. Things that will happen in the future. So we have the example here. We have the video. Here's all the city when this is in future time. So you see that it has the car that can fly through it, and it has the tall buildings that we can't see now. So that's called the future. Fact. Fact is that mean a thing that is true and can be proven. So like today's new that is tonight it has the feast or something. Fiction. Fiction is something that is made up and not true. Like this people horse and this baby fairy. It's not true, it's what's made up. It's called fiction. And when it is real, it's the non-fiction on. So everything changes over time. Past here we have the buildings here, the calculate, the baby one, and the present. The present it has cities, it has the laptop, and now we have headphones. In the past, it in Dozen has tall buildings like now, and it don't has computer, and it don't have a headphone like this. It only have a teddy bear. So exercise match each word with its definition. We have the word history, past, present, future, fact, fictions. Verse 1, the time now. Is present. 2, the time before now, past. 3, the time to come after now, future. 4, a thing that is true and can be proven, fact. 5, something that is made up and not true, fiction. 6, the story of events that happened in earlier times, history. Timeline. A timeline shows how things can change over time. Like if Tom was born and now he's 0 years old. Tom's fourth birthday parties is when he's 4 years old, and Tom's first ride bike is 7 years old. You see here, a timeline show us that the number and place each picture in the timeline. The 19th is C, the 1980s is A, I think so, and the 2000 is B. Now let's see if that is true. Yes, the first one is true, and the second one is true too, and the third one is true. True or false? Stereotypical F or false? One, we live in the past. No, it's present. False. Two, fiction is a thing that is true and can be proven. Non is called non-fiction. This is false. This fact. A timeline shows what happened in the time. That is true. Everything changes from the past to the future. The story of events that happened in the past is called history. History is not fiction. History shows us how things change. The past is different from the present. From the past to the future. And history fictions and show us how things change. In the past, you were smaller. In the present, you're getting bigger. The city you live in also changes in the past. Your city was small and not many people lived in there. In the present, your city is bigger and there are more people. If we want to see changes in history, we can use a time lapse. A time lapse can help us to understand when things happen. Our history is full of facts telling us what, when, where things happen. Compare and contrast. Past, you were smaller. Present, you're getting bigger. Past, your city was small. Not many people lived there. Your city was bigger. There are opposite of um, man, not many is more. Everything changed from the past to the future. Comprehensions choose the correct answer. First, the past is different from the present. A timeline can show what happened in the past. 3. The story of events that happened in the past, not A, not B, 2, is C. To see change in history, you can use a timeline, which shows when things happen. Everything's changed over time. This the past. It has small buildings. It has to use this calculate, and it is you are smaller. And now the present it has tall buildings. We have laptop, and we're getting bigger. So that is the difference of past and present. That's for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.